Welcome to The Explainer. We are jumping right in today because, let's be real, it is time to completely tear down some of those overused, totally saturated agency lead gen strategies everyone's been running. Instead, we're going to look at a much more powerful and honestly almost hidden system. If you sell websites, local SEO, or digital services, you already know the everyday struggle of finding fresh leads. But today, we're unpacking a platform called GMB Lead Engine, and it completely flips the script by hunting what we call the invisible market.
So let me ask you this. Why are the businesses that are actually the most likely to buy a website completely invisible to standard lead tools? I mean, think about it. Everyone and their mother right now is running that exact same go high-level domain scraping strategy. You fire up a scraper, pull a list of existing domains, and blast them with mass emails. But what happens when a business doesn't even have a domain yet? You come up totally empty. By relying on those old tools, you're literally filtering out the exact people who need your service the most just because the software is blind to them.
And that brings us to a quote that perfectly hits the nail on the head for what we're exploring today. A business posting weekly for work has demand it cannot service efficiently. That is a buyer, not a prospect. If a local landscaper or a house cleaner is manually hopping onto community boards every few days, practically begging for jobs, they are desperate for a real system to capture leads. They don't have a website, which means they aren't just cold prospects, they are the absolute hottest buyers on the market right now.
To keep things moving, here is our quick roadmap for The Explainer today. We're breaking this down into 5 parts. 1. The invisible business problem. 2. Finding unscraped local leads. 3. The automated preview hook. 4. Your built-in call center. And 5. Your pipeline to getting paid.
Starting right off with Section 1, the invisible business problem, or why we need to stop scraping saturated domains.
Just look at the contrast here. The old way, it's all about complex tech stacks, scraping existing domains, returning absolutely nothing on the no website leads, and forcing you into these awkward cold pitches for spec work. But the new way? It's a total pivot. We're looking at the actual places these invisible businesses advertise. We're talking about hunting for unclaimed Google business profiles on Google Maps and scanning local boards like Nextdoor and Craigslist. Plus, instead of pitching cold, we're showing up with pre-built sites.
Moving right along to Section 2. Finding unscraped local leads by tapping into Google Maps and local boards. This whole methodology boils down to 4 beautifully simple steps. First, find. You scan maps and boards. Second, score. The system ranks them by how likely they are to actually buy. Third, build. It automatically generates a preview site. And fourth, close. You hand those warm leads over to trained callers. This one single, streamlined workflow completely replaces all that messy, bloated software agencies have been duct taping together for years. Now, as you look at these search filters, I really want to emphasize something crucial. Google Maps and those unclaimed Google business profiles. That is your primary core engine here. But then it layers in local boards like Craigslist and Nextdoor as unique supplementary sources. Literally no other software has this specific combination built right into the platform. It's time to completely say goodbye to that overused go high-level strategy because this highly targeted workflow lets you find leads that standard scrapers simply can't touch.
Let's dive into Section 3, the automated preview hook, which is all about pitching with the work already done.
Okay, check out this view from inside a lead profile. You see that green number 89? That's the 0 to 100 buy score. The system is calculating how active they are and how aggressively they're pushing for work. So the absolute hottest leads float right to the top. But here is the real magic trick. The software analyzes their existing Google Photos and reviews and actually generates a real hosted preview website with a custom pitch argument before you even make your first call. Every other agency is out there selling a promise, right? You are selling a reality that already exists. It completely changes the conversation from "what would this cost" to "hey, do you want this?"
And once you have that hook, your outreach inbox handles the SMS and email drips natively. The absolutely vital thing to understand here is that this goes out from your own private instance, your mailbox, your dedicated number. There's no shared pool. That means nobody else's spammy campaigns can ever tank your deliverability. Oh, and the second a lead replies, the system catches it and instantly cancels the follow-up drip. Completely seamless.
Section 4. Your built-in call center. Basically an agency inside a single system.
This dual setup right here is just incredible. In the VA call portal, your callers get this lockdown view of only their assigned leads, right alongside a browser dialer, opening statements, and objection handling scripts. But how do you ensure they don't mess up the pitch? Well, the caller training module literally locks them out. A virtual assistant cannot touch a lead or make a single call until they go through the training and pass a built-in closed book quiz. The quality control is literally baked into the software.
And seeing the Team Hub really drives home that GMB Lead Engine isn't just another scraper tool. It's practically a business in a box. From this one screen, you track your VA's active shift clocks, monitor payroll hours, calculate their commissions, and distribute fresh leads across the team in a couple of clicks. It manages the entire human element of your pipeline, all natively.
Finally, Section 5, Pipeline to Getting Paid. Let's talk about turning these calls into actual revenue.
So picture this specific offer flow. Sometimes you call a business and, they just aren't ready to drop money on a full-blown website. That is totally fine. Because Google Maps is your core engine here, you can just seamlessly pivot to a secondary offer. You hit them with a one-time $249 setup fee just to claim and optimize their bare, unclaimed Google business profile. For a local business, that's an incredibly easy yes. It requires zero web design from you, it gets cash in the door instantly, and it builds massive trust for that future website upsell.
Now, if you really want to pour gasoline on the fire, they have this incredibly lucrative $49 add-on module for listing content. It lets you take those fully trained callers and point them at a completely different high-paying crowd, real estate agents. You can pitch walkthrough videos and copy for around $200 a listing, virtual staging for $40 a photo, and then lock them into a $49 to $79 a month recurring fee for review requests and market reports. Getting just one active real estate agent pays for this entire software platform multiple times over.
So, getting to the best part, how do you collect the cash? You just plug in your own QuickBooks or Stripe account, the platform automatically shoots out e-signed contracts and invoices, and the client pays you directly. The platform never takes a cut, they don't middleman the transaction, the money never even touches their accounts, straight from the client into your bank account.
All right, so what does all this cost? $149 a month, which is actually down from their previous $249 price point. For $149, you're getting your own private instance, unlimited leads, unlimited team seats for your VAs, plus all the scanning and email discovery included. And they offer a 7-day free trial that doesn't even ask for a credit card. You can pick a city, and the system runs your first scan before you've even finished setting up your account, meaning your pipeline is overflowing on literally day one.
Which leaves us with this final, absolutely vital thought to take away from our explainer today. Your next client. They aren't fully set up on Google yet, but they are out there, right now, actively posting for work on local community boards. They have the demand, they are proven buyers. So the real question is, are you ready to abandon those same saturated lead lists everyone else is using and find them before your competitors do? I hope this really gave you a clear structural view on how to use this tool to go out and do exactly that. Keep learning, keep explaining, and I'll catch you on the next one.